Good afternoon, Dingo Crypto. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. We're going to cover how to get into crypto responsibly, how to do it as cheaply as possible, who to follow on Twitter and YouTube, and good influencers in the crypto ecosystem, what websites you need to know to understand cryptocurrency, where to store your crypto, and how to interface with DeFi protocols. So it's basically an entire how-to episode. If you know most things about crypto and how to use crypto, just click out, or you can continue to watch. Maybe you'll learn a couple new things. And if you have any better ways of doing these things, go ahead and comment, and we'll possibly bounce off ideas. And maybe you're right, because this is the limit of my knowledge in crypto for the last 4 years of the best ways to do things. So first off, I want to preempt this with, if you just want to participate in the price action of crypto, there's services like Robinhood and Webull, which allow you to participate in just the price action. You don't get any of the utility of crypto. So I'm not going to focus on that, but if you want to just do that, it's free to do that. I mean, it's free. There's no exchange fees. The ones I'm going to show you today, there is fees associated with it, right? So let's just jump right in. So this is Coinbase Pro's platform. It's basically Coinbase's more advanced exchange. So coinbasepro.com, and then you deposit US dollars into this account. It's free to do that. And then what you do is just go ahead and accumulate whatever crypto you want. There's a significant amount of crypto. There's Bitcoin, ETH, all the main ones, a lot of other ones as well. But the reason why I do this instead of any other reason is because it's significantly cheaper. So $10,000 into Bitcoin, there's a $50 fee. Versus if you do it on Coinbase, it's a $146 fee. So this is a cheaper way to accumulate crypto, actual crypto, right? So that's just the one simple way to cut down on fees, right? So that's the first thing. Next thing is how to store your crypto. Obviously, you can keep it on exchanges. Coinbase, I'll give them a pass. I would say it's okay to store your crypto on Coinbase, but you also can store it on something like Blockfolio, which gives you an interest rate return, and a couple other one, crypto.com, but I think you need some of their tokens to get interest rates, a significant amount of interest rate. But I like to store my own crypto and use DeFi protocols. And the way to do that is get Google Chrome. It's just a browser, and you download MetaMask. It's a Chrome extension, just like if you use Honey, or if you use like Honey, is you saw probably ads on Honey before. But it's just like that, except it's your Ethereum wallet. So you download that, you get 12 seed phrases, which are just words. And basically this word represents your Ethereum wallet. And as long as you remember, write them down, obviously, multiple places, put them around your house, put them in different houses in case your house burns down. As long as you have those 12 words, you can even memorize them. You can literally have access to your entire net worth with just those 12 words, and your funds can never be frozen, essentially. So that's what's so powerful about crypto, is you can literally have your whole net worth in your head versus as dollar bills. Like, you can't go across borders with $100,000 in dollars bills or gold, or in a bank account, and then it gets frozen by the government because of suspicious activity, right? So that's what's crazy about crypto. That's why I like to store my own. On Coinbase, they can freeze your crypto because you don't actually hold it. And the best way to hold it is with a hardware wallet. Literally, you could have millions of dollars on a single hardware wallet, and you can bring this anywhere in the world, and your funds can never be frozen, okay? So I put an affiliate link down in my description for Ledger and the Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X, if you want to get them for your family members or yourself for Christmas, or ask for it for Christmas. There you go, affiliate link in the description. First time I'm using affiliate link. Let's see how it goes. If you want to use it, use it. If you want to just go to the website, go to the website. But it'd be nice to maybe get a couple extra bucks if you go and buy it anyways, right? I appreciate it. And now we're going to get into what websites you need to know to really in-depth yourself into the crypto ecosystem. The first one is a very simple website. It's just CoinGecko, right? So CoinGecko is just a price and information aggregator for all the different blockchain and tokens. So a couple things is if you just click on a token and then you can see their circulating supply, the market cap, which is the total, circulating supply plus times the price is the market cap, and then you can see the circulating supply and the total supply. A lot of people just get caught up in the price of the token, which doesn't really matter because a lot of cheaper tokens just have a larger circulating supply, right? So just understand that. And if you are ever wondering how to trade things, just go down and then there's a whole list of exchanges. Obviously, Bitcoin is the largest one and it's traded on every exchange ever. So just understand that. The next website I'm going to get into is State of DApp. So this is if you want to explore decentralized protocols, and if you're using a MetaMask wallet, which I just showed you how to, you download it and then it's a Chrome extension, right? So then you can go to like the Ethereum tab and you can look through all the Ethereum protocols, right? You can look through every single one of them. You can go straight to their websites. You can see their volume and usage. And Ethereum is the hub of protocols, and you can just experiment with them, right? So that's what I like about DeFi and crypto is like it is just mind-blowing technology, right? So just keep that in mind. State of DApps is one. The next one is Discord. So if you go back to CoinGecko and go to say, one thing I also forgot to point out is build a portfolio of tokens that you're watching, right? So this is just a portfolio of tokens that I like and I've been watching, right? And I've been just watching the tokens, the projects that I'm interested in. So if you want to build a portfolio and just keep track of projects that are interesting, and if you want to say participate in somebody's community, you click on there. Say you want to participate in Yearn, you got their Reddit, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, right? So if you want to participate in a Discord, most of their like on CoinGecko, if you just go here and click Discord, it will bring you to Discord and it will enter you into their community. And basically Discord, most projects have active Discords. If they don't, that's a red flag, right? So like for example, PyDAO, I'm a fan of PyDAO. Meta Governance Protocol, they have active community. You know everything that is happening within the community just through Discord. So Discord's a great way to keep up with your favorite projects. And next is Twitter. Every crypto developer is on Twitter and actively tweeting. Okay, so one way to follow people on crypto, you could obviously go to my Twitter right now and just click follow me and click on my following, and I follow pretty much all the people in crypto, more or less everybody. A couple hack girls in crypto, you gotta follow them, right? So but no, just if you want to shoot me a follow too, I try to retweet and favorite and tweet some good stuff, so maybe shoot me a follow as well. But I say the most prominent, probably Willy Woo, Angelo BTC, Vitalik Buterin, Brian Armstrong, Hayden, Uniswap's founder, I forget his last name unfortunately, Andre, the founder of Yearn, and a couple other people. Those are pretty much the fundamental people of crypto. Do not follow Justin Tron. Yeah, pretty much Justin Tron. I don't even remember his last name at this point, but Justin Sun. Don't follow him. He's trash. There's a lot of scammy people, but I have a pretty good consistency of people I'm following. So just go over, click my following, look at who I'm following, maybe follow whoever you want. But anyway, Hayden Sutton, that's the founder of Uniswap, I believe we can. But now let's get into who to subscribe to on YouTube and who's the best people in crypto to follow on YouTube, because a lot of scammy people on YouTube that don't know what they are talking about necessarily. Obviously, I hope they are trying to lead you in the right direction, but finance is a tricky area, guys, because a lot of these people like I was just on crypto TikTok and finance TikTok, and like you can have a fake blue check mark right next to your profile, and these finance guys love this fake blue check mark. Which is funny is because finance is all about integrity and being trustful, right? And being able to be trusted with uh, a decent opinion, or hopefully a respected opinion, right? And then they go out and use a fake blue check mark. Like it gives them some type of authority, but in all reality, it just shows you that you're kind of scammy, dude. Like, why do you have a blue check mark? You're just faking legitimacy. It's like if they have a fake check mark and they're talking finance, it's just a red flag. Build a natural community like I'm trying to do. If you don't like my opinions on thing, I understand it, but through my last 4 years, these are my opinions. I'm sorry, but I will listen to your opinion as long as you come with evidence, right? So, shoot me a follow. I'm going to be posting all through this bull run. I love crypto and blockchain, and the merging of finance and blockchain is immense, and it's crazy to me, and I love it. And I try to do my best, and it's only going to improve. But second YouTuber is Chico Crypto. I hope all you guys know him. He's one of the best in the space. Benjamin Cohen is probably my favorite technical. It is 100% the only technical analysis guy I listen to whatsoever. He's a data scientist. He does more mid to long-term trends and focuses nothing on daily movements of crypto. And if you ever follow a channel that focuses on daily movements of crypto, watch out. That's another red flag, guys. There's so many scammy people in crypto YouTube, so be careful. If they're shilling tokens, I do not shill tokens. I show you platforms like Haka Finance. I just showed you their platform, and I told them, I noted at the end, I'm like, I am not interested in this protocol. I don't see the intrinsic value of this. It's only a governance token and a yield farming token, right? So, I mean, I try to give you an honest opinion, and I'll be totally transparent with you guys. So if you want to shoot me a sub, I really appreciate it. If you have any other questions whatsoever, comment below. Other than that, have a great Sunday, and thanks for watching. Peace.